Hi, I'm Harrison Heck from Gadget Shakedown, and today we're going to be reviewing the HTC Hero from Sprint. It's got a 528 megahertz processor, 512 megabytes ROM, and a 288 megabyte RAM. So it's not really fast compared to the iPhone 3GS or the Palm Pre, but it'll get the job done. It does come with a 2 gig micro SD card, which can be replaced with up to 32 gigs. 5 megapixel camera with autofocus, Bluetooth. It does have a 1500 mega amp battery, which is better than the European version. So it is pretty good. It comes with Android 1.5 Cupcake, though it was rumored to be with 1.6 Donut. At the moment, we're not quite sure when that's going to be coming out, but hopefully it will. Here's the camera here, right there. On the side here, you got the volume rocker. Hold this call key and then you get voice dial, which really does not work real well. It doesn't seem to recognize your voice. Power button / N key, search, back, home menu. It's a bigger trackball than any of the other Android phones. One of my biggest gripes about the phone, though, is the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right here. It has a bug in it. Not quite sure if it's software or not, but it will not detect mono versus stereo really well. There is a tweak that you can find online. It's just a little toggle widget, and that should help you out there. Anyway, so this here is the default UI. Notification bar at the top, and you just slide this down to unlock. This here is the standard widget interface. Okay, so here's the default HTC Sense UI, Google search, got bookmarks, music, a few application launchers, and here's Sprint's proprietary applications that they include. Their NFL app, Sprint navigation, Sprint TV, and calendar widget here, and that's it. You do get 7 home screens, which is great for those of you who want a lot on your device, but it does slow down the processor a lot, or the phone, I'm sorry. It slows down the phone a lot, so that's not good. Click here to get all your applications. Click here for the phone. It's got a pretty neat dialer here. If you actually go ahead and hit the number with the letters on there, it's smart dial, so it will show you all the contacts that match those letters. So like here, we'll go ahead and do L-U-K-E, and right there's my friend Luke from Gadget Shakedown as well, and so that's that. Browser here. It's already loaded Google. I had that loaded before, but I did clear the cache, so let's go ahead and check out a few websites here. You have to click the menu button to get the URL up, and as you can see, the keyboard lags a little bit. It's not like the iPhone, which launches pretty fast, so hopefully they'll fix that soon. And typo here. Alright, and I already have the history here, which I didn't clear, so I'll go ahead and load our site here. This is not on Wi-Fi. It's actually connected to Sprint's EVDO Revision A network, and it is pretty fast. The one thing to note, though, about CDMA, which is what Sprint is that you can't use data and voice at the same time. So if you get a phone call, you won't be able to talk or go online or anything. So as you can see, movement's pretty good. Not really laggy. Double click, you can tap in, which is not normally available on an Android phone. That's actually done through HTC. So there we go. You can go ahead and click links like this, just click and hold, and a little menu will come up. You can open a new window, save the image, share it, and a lot of reviews said that you couldn't actually save an image, but you can. You just click that, and we'll go ahead and do that as an example. And as you can see, it's downloading right there, and that's that. Just click it to launch, and go ahead and view the picture. And there's really not much there, so really can't see that. So anyways, you can click and hold the home button here, and it'll show you the last 6 applications that you launched. It doesn't show you the current running apps, just the last 6 that you actually launched. So go ahead and exit out of that. One thing to note about Android is the fact that it does not close applications when you click the home button. It actually keeps the apps running in the back, and Android is supposed to close out the applications on its own, even though a lot of people like myself will run a task killer such as Task Panel right here. So go ahead and launch that, just to show you that. So click something here, kill Shop Savvy. You'll notice a lot of applications running in the background that you actually haven't started. Really not sure why that's happening, but it does, so it's not really a big deal at first. But it can slow your phone down. You only get the 1.5 Android market because they haven't updated 1.6 yet, so none of the application previews and stuff like that. You do have Facebook on here, Twitter, you can upload to Flickr, other sites like that through some applications. Show you adding a widget here. Go to the other side. Just click and hold, and okay, not working, so we'll just click this. Click HTC widget here, and let's go ahead and add Twitter. And we'll select this style, and there it goes. It's the Twitter widget. You can post your status, and you can go ahead and read other people's and everything, and that's that. So that pretty much wraps up our review for this time. If you'd like to see more, go to gadgetshakedown.com, and see you next time.